Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am extremely excited about this box. I have the Holiday Haul box, which is a holiday home decor box, but I don't have their normal traditional box that they send. I have what's called the Encore box. So basically, it's like a pop-up mystery box. There's a limited supply, it's cheaper than normal, and it has a mix of all of the holidays. And I absolutely love decorating for holidays. And the idea of getting a box with a mix of holiday things for some reason makes my heart super happy. I poured myself a glass of white wine. We're going to dive in and play. It's going to be a good day. I can just feel it. So, Holiday Haul is a holiday home decor box. This box right here is $45 and it's a mystery box. There is no coupon code because it's already discounted so much. Shipping is free in the US. You get 6 to 7 items inside your box. Boxes started shipping June 15th, and this will only go until it sells out or August 30th. So there's a short run on this guy. But they send holiday-based decor, not seasonal decor. So like when you open your box, like the traditional box, you know which holiday it is. And it's actually a really, really like happy experience. I have more of these holiday specific boxes coming, but I'm stoked to show this one first. So Holiday Haul is a subscription box for holiday lovers. They send 7 holidays: Valentine's, St. Patrick's, Easter, 4th of July, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. They also do Passover and Hanukkah, and each box is themed for a holiday, and the pieces are specific to the holiday. This is going to be a holiday mix and match. I have no idea what's in this box, and if you watched another unboxing on this particular box, that box is going to be different from this box because each one of them are mix match mystery boxes. So on top, oh my gosh. Okay, here's information about the Encore box and a thank you and a QR code to learn more on. Woo! What is this guy here? Is this their business card? How cute! Oh, and it did say on here, let me do this. They are a proud sponsor of the Tunnel to Towers Foundation. So this is how they give back. So this is a business card, and tucked inside this little cutie is this. Very, very creative. Okay, on top, I have the cutest little St. Patrick's pillow. St. Patrick's Day is not one of those holidays that I like go at it like I do, well, 4th of July and a few others like Christmas. But it is definitely a holiday where I put up little touches. This is perfect. It can go on one of my shelves. It can go on the fireplace. You know how I stack all my pillows in the corner? Super cute. I mean, this is the size of my hand, so that'll kind of give you the concept. It's definitely a little shelf decor pillow. So we got a St. Patrick's Day item. What is this? I think it's a bird's nest. Should we go put this in Emma's room? She would freaking love this. It is a bird's nest. And so actually, okay, so we could do a couple of things. The base of the bird's nest, like really and truly looks and feels like a bird's nest, but that's probably because it's made out of the same materials that they do all of the stick-based stuff. The greens are a little more plasticky, which tells me this is going to be great in Emma's room, her little greenery room that we are redoing the whole thing right now. I have a mini decorate with me how-to coming soon on her room. We're going to release some photos. I literally overhauled it. It has custom built-ins. It has a greenery theme. This would be so cute. But if not, this would be great outside. This would be so cute for patio decor. And it has 3 little eggs on the inside. Look. Super, super cute. So, spring, summer decor. We got pumpkins. Look at these cute little pumpkins. Like, legit, you could leave it just like that. That literally looks like a little gift of pumpkins. But I probably won't do that. I'm going to want to pour them into a bowl of some sort. Let's get them out. These are so cute. Super lightweight. And there's like pumpkins of different sizes. And there's gourds. So loving that. I don't even know how many are in here. There's a bunch. Let's see. 4, 8, 12. There's over 20, I would say, that are in here. Super cute pumpkin decor. Okay. And this kind of gives you an idea of what comes in the other holiday boxes. This is actually a really great way to do a preview. Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna freak out about these. Okay, let's see if I can not dump them out and open them. Oh, okay, hold on. Hold on. There are 4 Halloween candles. So let me get them situated so you guys can see. My kids are going to love, love, love these. So they're just like literally a little tea light. So if you had like I know I have a little skull, I have a little like candy dish type bowl. These would be so cute to set inside. And so here's the deal. Halloween and holidays like that, I like to decorate my house, but why do I decorate my house? For my kids. I mean, I guess to some degree for me, but really and truly, like a lot of the decisions I make when making Halloween decor decisions are based on what my kids love. Look how cute that is. So there are 4 of these little candles, which by the way, I just shook this a little bit and it popped out of the base. So if you wanted to free float him somewhere, you absolutely could. The base comes off really easy. What else do we have in here? Oh my gosh. What is this? Wait, is that a kitchen cloth? Oh, dang. What does it say? Milk and cookies served nightly through Christmas. So it's a dishcloth, but you guys, this dish towel is like thick and hearty. It's not like really thin. You know, like the thin dishcloths that you know, they're not going to absorb anything. Whatever liquid's on there is just going to beat up and slide with the cloth. This one doesn't feel that way at all. It's really thick, and on the back, it has a hanging hook right here. I'm a big fan of those. You can just totally hang it like this. It looks super chic. You can pretty much read the print, and kids can run by, dry their hands, and take off. This is 100% cotton. Really cool. Okay, so we got some Christmas in here. And then there's another item in here. Valentine beads. It makes me, so my whole house is so red, white, and blue right now. It's not even funny, but I mean, we're moving into July. We're going to have all the red, white, and blue. But I am like feeling all the feels for the holidays right now. I love theme-based holidays. So this is a bead string, but it has a traditional tassel on this side, and this other side has a heart that says love on it, which I have to say, we've received a lot of beads. I'm glad that this is actually a unique bead. So like literally, you could drape it around something and have these two hanging like this, and that is really, really pretty together. Okay, I think this is a great preview of what could come in your box for other seasons. If you're wanting to get a steal of a deal on a mix and match home decor holiday themed box, go down below, grab my URL. It will enable you to be able to sign up for the $45 mystery box that they are sending while supplies last. Okay, you guys. We have so many cool boxes coming. July is my birthday month. We're going to do some fun celebrating here on the channel, which is cool, unique, crazy things. My exclusive Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group, which is linked down below. We'll be having all sorts of pop-up crazy fun things there. A lot of the stuff that's happening there, those are for my friends. The people who intimately hang out with the channel and have for years are going to get totally hooked up for my birthday. So if you want to join our little crew, head that way. If you're just interested in seeing unboxings, seeing what subscription boxes are about, seeing some more decorating, make sure you subscribe to the channel here. Hit the little bell for notifications if you want to be notified when I post. Otherwise, subscribing will hook you up as well. Okay, you guys, holiday haul. So cute. Thank you so much for sending this box. I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing day. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.